What does fake news have to do with fake breakouts? A lot. Trust me, I'm not lying. In one of my recent videos, Andy A commented, "Idea for another video, spotting/avoiding fake moves/stop running." Great idea, Andy. I will focus this video on spotting fake moves and how to trade them. But before I get into the trading side, when I hear the word fake, I can't help but think of fake news. Will we ever forget President Trump's first news conference when he denied a question from a CNN reporter because they were from CNN, home of fake news? Equal time, Obama banned Fox News for a day or two for similar reasons before the backlash from the press itself turned that idea around. Bad idea. But the fact is, fake news is a lie. It is not backed up by facts. For example, there was a report that the bust of Martin Luther King was taken out of the Oval Office when Trump moved in. Well, either it was there or it wasn't there. That is a fact. If it is reported that it is not there, and it is, it qualifies as fake news. Similarly, if Trump's Kellyanne Conway says that there was a terrorist massacre in Bowling Green and the press ignored it, and in reality there was not, that too is fake news. Fake news might seem real for a moment. You expect that news to be truthful, to be real, to not be fake. In his book, Trust Me, I'm Lying, Confessions of a Media Manipulator, Ryan Holiday tells how fake news drives media in modern times. Lies are purposely used to incite the crowds and in the process to get more clicks and more people believing your lies. The Trust Me, I'm Lying tactic of influence may have also been used to drive the election as well, at least parts of it. Think about it. One of President Trump's favorite phrases is, "Trust me. Trust me, we will drain the swamp." He hires a bunch of Wall Streeters. "Trust me, Mexico will pay for the wall." Well, it might not be with a check for $25 billion, but from a border tax, which most think would be a disaster. "Trust me, lying Ted is a liar." Heck, they all lie. Is Trump really saying, "Trust me," and under his breath, "I'm lying, but it sure helps me"? We don't know. Of course, the media is no angel either. They will be quick to tilt stories according to their bias or simply lie as well to keep their left or right-wing audience happy most of the time. Remember, news, especially fake news, sells what they're selling. Trust me. The solution under this umbrella of lies for me is to wait for the dust to settle, to fact check, or simply make logical judgments myself. Do I really believe there was a massacre and no media coverage? No, that's silly. Now I want you to think about trading. We as traders rely on tools. You might call our tools our news. They are our fact checkers. We use the tools in order to make our judgments as to bullish or bearish for any given currency, like the US dollar against any currency. For example, a fundamental trader's fact checkers will be the economic data. It'll be the central bank policy. Maybe it'll be intermarket relationships like bonds or gold or the stock market. And when these facts are known, traders make a judgment to decide bullish or bearish bias. A technical trader will look at technical tools like moving averages, trend lines, and Fibonacci retracements for a bullish or bearish bias. Those are the fact checkers for them. There are times when the tools we use give us fake signals, fake news if you will. We have to let the dust settle a bit at times, don't we? For example, for fundamental traders, how many times in your trading career has some news come out that seems dollar bullish? And what does a dollar do? It goes up and then it comes back down and you lose a ton of money. What do we hear after those types of moves? Fake news. The market does not believe the news. There is something else about the news that was misinterpreted. Or they might say, oh, the market was buying the rumor and selling the fact. And one of the newer ones is those damn algos came in. So we have the news. It seems like real news, real facts, but the dust has to settle sometimes. And you may be forced to make a different judgment as far as bullish or bearish. It's hard to trade fundamentally when you have fake news that you believe. Technical traders are not immune either, but there are some more protections for technical traders. For technical traders, fake news that is factual but fails to do what you think are called fake breaks. They may also be called fail breaks or stop running. Let's look at an example. The 100-hour moving average in this dollar versus yen chart is the blue line. The 200-hour moving average is the green line. The 100-hour moving average in this chart has been acting like a charm. Why? Because traders out there in the world are using it to define and limit their risk. It tells me and other traders the bullish or bearish facts. And so the market traders have been using the line as bullish above, bearish below. That's the line in the sand. When it breaks here, the technical news or facts are more bearish. The price goes down. When the price moves back up and tests the line here, the technical news or facts are more bearish if the price stays below that line. So the sellers and the traders lean against it, and the price, what does it do? It goes down. That line is my fact checker. No matter what the fundamental news of the facts are, it tells me bullish above, bearish below. The market reacts to the technical news here and here too. When the price breaks above the 100 and 200-hour moving averages here, the technical news is what? More bullish, and the price shoots higher. It comes down here and moves below. The technical news says to sell, and the price goes tumbling lower. Here there are sellers between the two moving averages, and here it looks like it is another sell, but then you get a break above. The technical news is more bullish, right? Absolutely, you have to believe that line. Only this time you may buy and it goes up, and then when the dust settles a bit, not too long, it comes right back down. What the fake break, stop hunters, those algos, what do? How do you trade that fake break? As traders who are wary of fake news, we need to interpret the price action and the technical facts ourselves, and sometimes let the dust settle. If the break reverses, it is our duty to believe what we see. In trading, I put my trust in things like moving average lines and in retracements and in trend lines. They tell me the truth from the fact. They define and limit my risk. If there is a false break, a fake news, I will know from what I see. So, is there a Martin Luther King bust in the Oval Office? Is that moving average break going to stick? Trump, the press, the market, I trust you, but only a little. My real trust is knowing you may really be lying. Trust me. If you like this video, if you trust this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it or you don't trust me, give me a thumbs down. Also, if you want to subscribe to our YouTube page, hit the subscribe button. We just moved above 5,000 subscribers. Let's see that number go higher. My name is Greg Michalowski from Forex Live. Good fortune with your trading.